Hallå där hörni, välkommen tillbaka till en video. Idag ska vi kolla på fotbollsspelare som har blivit som mig, som har blivit YouTubers. Jag har ingen aning vilka det har blivit, så det ska bli sjukt intressant att veta detta. Men dagens fråga till er: vilken fotbollsspelare tror ni hade varit sjukt rolig som en livestreamer? Typ som spelar FIFA eller vad fan som helst. Vem tror ni hade varit absolut kul och gjort mycket content? Skriv det i kommentarerna. Medan ni gör det, lämna jättegärna en like på den här videon och prenumerera om ni inte har gjort det. Men kanalen heter PlayerGoat och vi kollar på den här videon och ser vad den har att erbjuda.
Aguero became a super famous YouTuber after
Aguero
he retired, but I bet you don't know about Vinny Jr.'s secret channel. These are the famous players who turned into YouTubers.
Jag vet.
Let's start with Kun Aguero, the
Manchester
City legend who had to retire because of
Det är problem med, jag för mig att det var hjärtat just som gjorde att han slutade med fotbollen. Och här tar han sig på hjärtat och liksom tydligt att någonting händer. Fy vad läskigt.
Creo que me agarró una mini arritmia. ¿Ahora mismo?
Alltså det är synd, jag fattar inte vad de säger. Ja, någon lär ju prata om det där.
No, porque tengo un chip y el famoso me va a detectar.
Yes, his health issue is with his heart, which is why he has a pacemaker. And sometimes the excitement...
Jag visste inte att han hade en pacemaker. Jag visste ju att han hade bekymmer med hjärtat och sånt, men att han inte fick vara igång liksom. Han har en pacemaker tydligen. Då kunde han se appen där, vad som hände. Fun fact, pacemakern är väl en svensk uppfinning tror jag.
During his streams almost causes an accident.
Usch vad läskigt.
No, mira el equipo que juego.
And the guy is a phenomenon in Argentina with over 4 million subscribers on YouTube alone. Another internet phenomenon is Manchester United legend Rio Ferdinand. Actually, the ex-player is already quite famous in England because he became a top commentator for a sports channel. But what many don't know is that besides his TV work, Rio Ferdinand also does exclusive interviews with famous players on his channel, and sometimes he even shares gameplay of EAFC. Of course, he also gives his opinion as a journalist and former player on various football topics. He's quite popular on the platform, with over 1 million subscribers, and it's not just a recent venture into YouTube. One of the most watched videos on the platform is where he challenged none other than Cristiano Ronaldo when they both played for Manchester United. But Neymar isn't interested in football outside the pitch. How so? He became known in the Counter-Strike gaming community by appearing in live streams playing with his friends, and he's good.
Men Neymar har jag sett också i live. Framförallt som var live under Fortnite. Många fotbollsspelare live under
Fortnite. He plays at a high level in the game and has even humiliated a professional Counter-Strike player.
Mercado nada mercado.
Ah, är det sant?
Mercado.
He also owns some of the most expensive items in the game.
Såklart.
One of these items alone is valued at over $100,000, which is nothing compared to the superstar's salary. Sometimes he goes live on Twitch to show off his skills. Neymar also has a YouTube channel, but it's more focused on commercial videos.
Det här skulle jag inte säga en YouTuber med hans YouTube-kanal. Där såg man att det var ju liksom inte content som...
The strike is Lucas Paqueta, who recently appeared in some live streams playing charity matches. And he even owns a Brazilian team, Paqueta Gaming. Griezmann did something similar. The Frenchman has admitted he loves Fortnite and has appeared playing in some videos, but he took this passion a step further by founding Gritzy Esports, which has teams in various games like Rainbow Six, Fortnite, and League of Legends.
Det är kul.
And to round up the players who are passionate about Counter-Strike, Casemiro also tries his hand at live streams.
Men tänk dig så här nu vet jag inte hur Casemiros familjesituation är. Han har ju ändå varit en hel del ute i Europa, men när han flyttade till England, han har inte så många polare, vad fan vet jag. Han tränar, han kör sin match, han kommer tillbaks hem och så spelar han spel. Och så livestreamar liksom. Det är så vanligt att fotbollsspelare faktiskt spelar tv-spel. Väldigt vanligt.
Going viral on YouTube.
Jag visste inte att han livestreamade.
Nossa. Ah, eu fui jogar, tá, gente? Fui jogar, mano.
Han verkar ju bra också.
Acelerar aqui.
Tack, brassarna är inte dåliga på CS, du.
Relacionada.
Flashad.
Areia. Em cima da areia.
Oj!
Que isso?
Laktar.
Vinicius Jr. is different.
Men Vinicius,
he also has a YouTube channel that slowed down after he became one of Real Madrid's main stars. After all, it's probably hard to find time to make videos with all the training. Still, he pops up during vacations with vlogs showing his travels. He already has over 2 million subscribers, and his older videos include FIFA gameplay, challenges with other YouTubers, and even a gift he got from Cristiano.
Det var som man sa så här, nu när det gått mycket bättre i Madrid, då har ni inte säkert så mycket tid över till att göra content, men jag gjorde väldigt mycket förut.
Ronaldo.
Vloggar också fortfarande då och då.
Rafael Leo, a player for Milan, also occasionally
och vi tänker på att de
posts
spelarna nu som Leo, Vinicius, de är uppvuxna med YouTube och sånt. Spelarna sen innan är ju inte det. Så det fattar nästa generation som kommer också. De kommer säkert göra ännu mer.
It's definitely worth checking out. But do you know Messi's passion off the pitch? The legend has said in interviews that he loves playing Fortnite, especially with Aguero. He even did one of the game's dances to celebrate a goal.
Okay.
Now tell me in the comments, which historic legendary player over 70 years old is a YouTube success? If you guessed Zico, you're right. The Brazilian national team star from the 80s inspired a generation that won the World Cup years later. To keep up with the new generation, he ventured into YouTube. He has 1.5 million subscribers on the platform and posts weekly videos interviewing other legends and new players, doing challenges and commenting on sports news. But nothing compares to what Ronaldo does.
R9 är fan grym på kod, det har jag sett. Men det är mycket av de här är ju livestreamers, inte YouTubers.
That he always took time between matches to play the franchise games on his PlayStation 2, and he still does that today. For those who are enthusiasts of gaming rooms and setups, check out the office where Rosario plays. Besides that beauty on the shelf, Ronaldo has a supercomputer that was built live by a famous YouTuber. But his channel is not just about that. He also does interviews, started a podcast, and has entire reporting teams for sports news. Now tell me, if a legendary goalkeeper made a YouTube channel, what kind of videos would he post? Well, Perchek simply posts videos of himself
jag visste att han var trummisen också, varit målvakt Perchek. Jag visste inte att han la upp det på YouTube.
But it's worth checking out the former goalkeeper rocking the drums. But this player here became a national joke. Crack Nito, as he is known, is a TV presenter and has his own YouTube channel, Radio Crack Nito, where he broadcasts games of his favorite team, and another channel where he gives his opinion on football topics. The problem is, he gets too excited about some topics and ends up becoming a meme.
Tamo no YouTube aí. Eu não sei quantos... Veloso? Oi. Veloso sou eu.
Não, e ainda derrubou a água, filha da mãe.
Mole! Vai dar! Não vai dar!
And then there's this Puskas Award winner who scored the most beautiful goal of the season and simply left his career to become a professional FIFA player. We're talking about Brazilian Wendell Lira, who in 2015 beat Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo and Neymar with that stunning goal.
Han vann alltså Puskas Award. Och nu vill han bli professionell FIFA-spelare, säger han det. Det var inte ett jättefult mål det.
But the award didn't lead to offers from big teams, not even in Brazilian football. So, even though he was still very young, he left real football and invested in the virtual world. And he's good at it, so much so that he's part of Sporting's esports team. Of course, he started his own YouTube channel and also does live streams.
Fan vad sjukt. Men alltså med Sportings, tyckte jag det var Sportings e-sportlag och sånt. Nu råkar jag trycka vidare här en jäkla massa. Intressant video. Jag skulle väl mer säga att de är streamers än YouTubers faktiskt. Men ändå kul, och jag tror att det kommer bli fler fotbollsspelare som kommer att starta med detta. Man har sett mer i NHL också, man har sett mer i golf och så vidare, tennis och sånt. Men ni kan väl skriva vem ni hade velat sett som YouTuber eller som livestream som har varit otroligt bra. Jag vet inte, det var kul om typ så här, fan vet jag, Alexander Isak började. Hade väl jävligt kul, fan vet jag. Men tack för att du kollade på videon. Vi syns varannan dag, så är det videos, vilket blir otroligt. Så vi syns om 2 dagar. Kolla mina gamla videos också om du har någonting att göra. Så hörs vi. Hej då hörni.